Hello my friends, my name is Denis Derkolski, and in this short video today I'll tell you how to use vitamins and minerals a way more effective. It is a well-known fact that in our mouths we have specific ability to digest minerals and vitamins way better. And one day we were sitting in a kitchen with my friend, and he pointed a finger on the shelf and he said, "Take a look at this. You have a specific grinder to make a structure of things way tiny, a small fracture." And he said, "Let's see what it is." And I took from my shelter a specific grinder, authentic. It doesn't look good. It is really old, authentic as I said, and it's really unique thing. This is how ancestors were grinding things, and today I can show you how to use some good stuff, good support for our health. So we have a cardio support here. We have a papaya enzymes, chewable digestive support with mint and chlorophyll. We got these two bottles that I purchased from iHerb. They are made specifically for vegans. Calcium and magnesium support and multivitamins. Very good amount, by the way. This specific bottle has got a huge amount of B12. It is 1,600% from a daily value. Amazing. This is a calcium and magnesium support, multi-source, premium, vegan, certified by a vegan society. Nice support. So what we have as well, cocoa powder and a certain product to support our digestive system and immune system. This is a specific bacteria made in Russia. It's called Vitom. How we use this real nice tool. So we take tablets and put it in one by one. We open and pour it the powder. This is extract from red rice yeast. This way. Alright, here we go. Enzymes, calcium and magnesium support, multivitamin. Then we smash it this way. Take a look. Alright, this is how it looks. Then we grind it. Very important in this process is what we think of it. We have to think positive way. So positive thinking is taking place in a structuring, so all the good thoughts are in here now. We think about how we gain health, how we stay alive, how we energetic, how we happy and safe, and so on. Afterwards, we have our this powder, and then we put some cocoa powder here. It is also very nice for our health. And we put it in a probiotic powder. This is it. Alright, so we blend it again. Remember, all the positive things surrounds us. Alright, here we go. Alright, in the end we have this small powder, and it is enough for a daily basis instead of lots of tablets. The digesting is really easily and way effective, so you can triple the effect of using this. This is real nice. Really yummy. Very tasty. Alright. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn more about smart food market, subscribe on my channel and stay in touch. Take care of yourself. Bye.